Do you need to print text messages from your iPhone for court, legal records, or official documentations? You are not alone, and doing it the right way really matters. So in this video, I will walk you through with 4 reliable methods to print text messages and WhatsApp messages from your iPhone in a clear, organized, and code-appropriate format, so your record should be accurate and defensible. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the first method. So the first method is quite simple, and basically that is gonna be screenshots. As this is one of the easiest and absolutely free way to print text messages from your iPhone, it will work for you no matter which iPhone models you have. The only process to capture a screenshot will be slightly different as per the iPhone you are using. As on the most latest iPhones, you can do that by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time. Now it's quite easy to do that. All you just need to open the text conversation on your iPhone, take a screenshot of your conversation. As you can see, if you take a screenshot of these messages, you need to scroll up or scroll down to take a new screenshot. After taking screenshots of all the conversation, you will need to go back to a gallery, and then you will be able to see all your screenshots which you have just taken, and then you will be able to print that with wireless printer. But just keep in mind, it is relatively easy on most cell phones to take a screenshot of anything appearing on the screen. However, this is one of the least and desirable way to print text messages, as you might miss some important messages, and also it might not be accepted for legal cases such as in court, and also you might miss some important messages while taking a screenshot, and also it's time consuming as well. So like I said, this is a free and most easiest method, but it might not be that helpful. So let's jump to the second method. Now in the second method, I will show you how to print text messages for court and other legal purposes with the help of computer app called iMessages transfer, which can be downloaded for Windows and Mac computer from iPhone to PC website. I've already mentioned the download link in the description of application which I'm going to be using right now. Now the iMessages transfer app can print text messages with all important meta information like date and timestamps, sender name and phone number. All of these things can really help you if you are planning to print your text messages for court. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the desktop, and after reading all the messages, you can see that all the conversations are now listed on the iMessages transfer on the application. So obviously I will go back to the same conversation which I was taking screenshot on my iPhone, and as you can see that here we go. So this is all the conversation which I really want to print, and let's say if I want to present into my court or I'm using it for other legal purposes, what I will do, it's quite simple and all will just happen with a single click. So as you can see that down there we have a print option. Once I click on that, it's gonna ask me, do you want to add the logo of the application? It's up to you if you want to add that logo or not. And the second one is, do you want to include MMS messages? So obviously I will just unmark it as I don't need that, and then click on next. And as you can see that this is all the conversation along with time, date, sender number and receiver number. And after that, as I don't want to print it, so I will just click on print preview so that I can show you how these messages will look like. And after that, as you can see that this is the PDF file, and if you print it, this is how your message is going to be look like. As you can see, every single detail is there along with the number, date, time, and for example, this will be just a single file, and if I want to present this in a code, it will be obviously accepted and will be and obviously will look completely real. And other than that, if you don't want to print it for now, you have got another option which is save. After clicking on save, you will get all the features. For example, you can save your conversation in a PDF file, ANTS, HTML, picture file, text file, save attachments, and you can save all the contacts here as well. So it's up to you now. You can, if you want to print it, you have got an option, and if you want to save in a PDF file, you can do that as well. And as you can see that this is how the PDF file looks like as I've just saved from this application. Not just from text messages, but if you click on WhatsApp, all your WhatsApp conversation will appear on the iMessages transfer application. And for example, if I just want to print this one, the method is the same. If I want to save this one, as you can see, the time, number, date, everything is mentioned. You can print it from here, and either if you want to save, you can save from here as well. And as you can see, all the pictures, messages, date, time is mentioned on your PDF file. So this is one of the useful, and as you can see that you will get all the details on your file, either if you want to print it or either if you want to save it in your computer or Mac. You don't need to do anything, and you can easily just present that on the code without doing anything else. I'm leaving the download link in the description as well as in the comment section of iPhone to PC website, by where you can download this application. The third method is easy, but it's time consuming, and basically that is, you will have to go back to your conversation and you will need to copy and paste every single message, and obviously here you won't be able to see the time of the messages after copy and paste, and it won't give you all the details like sender and receiver, phone number and other details. And also, for example, if the conversation is quite long, then it's nearly impossible to copy and paste every single message. So obviously this is not recommended. Now let's jump to the final method, and basically here you will need to contact your phone carrier or network provider and ask them for a copy of all your text messages history. Not all carriers don't store the context of text message at all. Some of like AT&T do, so it doesn't have to ask. You can still try, call your carrier, and you can still ask them to give you a conversation history. So basically you have to connect customer support, and that might be help. Okay guys, so these were the 4 ways to print text messages for iPhone for code or other documentation purposes. You will also need to submit testimony of affidavit stating that the copy is true and accurate representation of the text messages. By no means I am legal expert, so I advise to get in touch with attorney or legal advisor before taking any action. And definitely among all these 4 methods, I will prefer the second method, which will gives you the accurate and detailed prints of all your conversation. Let me know if you guys have got any question regarding this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.